Hello, and welcome back to Twinkl Kids TV. In today's How to Draw, we'll be learning how to draw an amazing oak tree. As usual, we'll be using a pencil to sketch out some basic lines before using a pen to add some final details. So, once you're ready with everything you need, let's get started! As it's going to be the very centre of your drawing, start off by drawing the tree trunk. You can do this by creating a curved line, a bit like the letter J, before drawing another line exactly the same, but facing the other way. Then choose one of your lines to continue outwards, at an angle to create your first branch, bringing it back towards the trunk with another line. Do the same on the other side. However, perhaps a little higher up. When you look at trees closely, the branches are usually all different shapes and sizes and at different heights. Now to add in some grass. Draw a wiggly line all the way across the bottom of the trunk. Now you can start outlining the leaves of the tree. Unfortunately, it's almost impossible to draw every leaf in detail. So instead, you can imply just how many there are by creating shapes to make it look like there are lots. Draw lots of little curves joined in a line to show just how far out your leaves go. The shape you draw them in is up to you, but oak trees tend to have a lot of leaves with a really wide reach. Continue your curved lines in a big arch over the top of the trunk until it meets the other side. Add in a few more of these wiggly lines in the middle of the outline you've just created to show where the leaves fall to. You can sometimes see parts of the tree trunk through the clusters of leaves. So, between those lines, draw some straight lines, which will make it look like the trunk is peeping through. Now you can do the same for your branches too, adding in the curves and straight lines to give the illusion of loads of branches and leaves. The further away the branches get from the trunk, the more they tend to splay out into thinner parts. So to make it more realistic, you might want to try splitting your branch in different directions, like this. To show just how many leaves your oak tree has, add a few curved lines throughout your sketch to give it some texture. Talking of texture, a tree trunk definitely isn't as smooth as ours is currently looking. You can add in some lines in all shapes and sizes throughout the trunk and branches. As the older the tree gets, the more characterful and textured it becomes. Adding straight lines creates the look of bark on your tree. It actually looks even better if the lines aren't totally straight. As you've got this far, why don't you hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss any of our videos? Now the first layer is complete, it's time to pick up your pen and add the finishing lines. Using your pencil lines as a guide, start by tracing over the grass at the bottom. Now you're going to want to continue going over all of the markings you made with your pencil. It's up to you which lines you want to do first, but I'm going to start doing the outline of the tree. Don't worry if your lines don't match up exactly. The pencil's just there as a rough idea of what you want your final lines to look like. You can start to see how using a pen gives your drawing so much more depth. And there you have it, your wonderful oak tree. Thanks so much for joining us here at Twinkl Kids TV. Don't forget to subscribe to see what we'll be drawing next. See you next time.